What is neuropathy? Understanding the basics. Hey there, quick question for you. Have you ever felt pins and needles in your feet or hands, even when you're not doing anything? Or maybe a strange burning, buzzing, a numb sensation that won't go away? Well, you might be dealing with something called neuropathy, and you're not alone. This condition affects over 20 million people in the US, and many don't even know that they have it until the symptoms get worse. Today, we're diving into the basics: what neuropathy is, how it affects your body, and why it matters. Let's start with the nervous system. Think of it like the body's electrical wiring. Millions of tiny wires, like nerves, sending signals to and from your brain and spinal cord out to every organ, muscle, and cell. These are called peripheral nerves, and they control everything from sense of touch to your ability to move and digest food. Now, neuropathy, or more accurately, peripheral neuropathy, happens when these peripheral nerves are damaged. Now, instead of clear signals, you get scrambled messages, or no messages at all. That's when you feel pain, numbness, or weakness for some. Neuropathy symptoms can vary depending on which nerves are affected, but here are the most common: burning pain or tingling, numbness or dead zones, muscle weakness or twitching, loss of coordination or balance, extreme sensitivity to touch, even the lightest touch, even things like bed sheets can hurt. Symptoms often start in the feet or hands, which is why you'll hear the term glove and stocking distribution in medical circles, and that's where it shows up first. There are three main types of peripheral neuropathy. Sensory neuropathy. This affects the nerves responsible for feeling. You may feel pain, tingling, or lose sensation entirely. Some people describe it as walking on cotton balls or even broken glass. Motor neuropathy. This hits the nerves that control muscle movement. Now, you might notice weakness, cramping, or trouble walking or lifting objects. Autonomic neuropathy. This one's more subtle and serious. It affects nerves that control automatic body functions like heart rate, digestion, blood pressure, or even bladder function. It can cause lightheadedness, constipation, or problem sweating. Many people have mixed neuropathy, meaning multiple types at once. Neuropathy doesn't usually come out of nowhere. It's often a sign of deeper health issues. And here's the good news: many causes are treatable, and symptoms can improve if you catch it early. Now, in our next video, we're going to dive deep into what causes nerve damage in the first place, some of which may surprise you. Now, if any of this sounded familiar, leave a comment below. We want to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 2.